I literally said I don't feel like racing, and he starts sprinting.
I just said that I knew you had to run. Mew.
That was such an exaggerated joke.
Hey guys!
Hello, Tara's vlog. We're about to get on the bus to go to Gwiltakt.
Woo!
Scared.
You're scared?
Right now.
Oh no.
I'm a little scared that the Bonnetie is not gonna like me,
I don't think that's possible.
but hopefully she does.
Yeah, they will.
And I hope the other girls are like nice to
I'm
us.
so anxious right now. I feel it.
I have like butterflies, but I'm not like terribly.
I just want to meet.
It hasn't really hit me yet, you know.
Yeah. I just
That,
wanna
like
get on the bus and be like,
we're
"Hi."
going to Donegal.
Yeah.
Mia, Misha, Kira.
Ismisha.
It's Misha. This is why I'm here. I'm
Don't
here
mix
to
up with
learn.
Spanish.
I know.
Mi amo.
Mi amo Cara. That's my Spanish name, Cara.
Now I'm in the video.
Oh no, it's also a grocery store. Is it?
Whoa, I look not bad.
You look beautiful.
Are these the people up here?
My eyes
Hold
look
on.
whack.
I'm like, oh, I see people.
Oh, people.
I'm so scared, guys.
Oh my gosh, we're
They
on
look
a bus
very nice.
with people.
Wait, there's other people going to the Gwiltakt with.
I thought it was
I thought it was just. Yeah, I was pretty sure we were just taking like private lessons.
Yeah.
Okay. Update will be on the bus, maybe, possibly. Yeah.
Yeah, I guess so.
I may vomit by then. So, do you all really not have a SAT counselor at your school?
We really don't.
If we have like a
Yes.
we have like a personal problem, we go to this one to the science teacher for like
Y'all know stuff like
If I have a personal problem, I ignore it.
same. Honestly.
I talked to my therapist today about it.
Morning number 1. Are you excited? Yes. Okay. Me too. I'm very excited. We had some cornflakes and bread for like toast and tea for breakfast. It was yummy.
Yes, it was like breakfast yesterday.
So, yeah. And now we have to get ready and go to school. Okay, bye. I don't know what else to say. Okay, back from classes day 1. Even though it wasn't really classes, it was just information and it was Jamie.
Hello.
Hi. And like interviews. How did your interview go, Jamie?
It went pretty well. I spoke in Irish for like 3 seconds, and after I said Ní Laudum Gaeilge, she said great effort, and then we spoke in English for the rest of it.
Nice. That's actually really good that you still spoke Irish, which is good. It showed that you like actually.
Yes, because you know what they said. If you don't put effort into it, they'll kick you out.
All right, Kira.
I did okay. I learned a bunch of stuff. My interview, I did speak a tiny bit Irish, but like I could have done better. But I see improvement coming.
Good.
I think that I'm doing okay. I spoke in Irish for pretty much the entire interview, but it was like it would take me a while to understand what they were saying, what the guy was asking. So like he asked me about like my interests, my family, like if I like because I told him that my mom's from Ireland and that's why I know some Irish. And yeah. It just took me a bit to realize what he was asking me most of the time. So I think I barely got to look at it because he kind of put the paper away really quickly. So I think he put down either that like I have some words or like Masarha, like fine, like my Irish is okay. But we'll see. I'm also gonna show to like all my family and stuff. Today was the first day of school. We were interviewed. I spoke very little Irish. Oh wait, we already talked about this. And so yeah, I'm gonna be in the beginners class. But I went to the Kaylee this evening and we played
we did
games
sports.
and sports. Yeah,
Sports was fun.
we played musical chairs in Irish and we played Chubby Bunny in Irish.
Or we watched others play it because
Yeah.
we were too afraid because we don't really know enough Irish to know what they're telling us to do.
And we don't want to choke.
That too. But the dancing was actually really, really fun.
Yes.
I
And
got
it
spun
seems
around
hard
really
first,
fast.
but it was really not that bad.
How does it go?
Wait, which?
Isha?
Oh, yeah. Isha? Agasama. And then it's like.
And then like go through onto the people, and then they like spin around in some mesh like that. Arash. And then they like lead the lines of the people back, and they make a bridge, and everybody walks under the bridge with their hands, and then you do a wave, and you hold your partner's hand, and you go up, and you go through people's hands, and then they go through your hands, and then you go up, and you go up.